Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert, and in this video, we're going to show you how to cut shapes using a jigsaw. It's a very versatile tool that allows you to cut shapes and do precision cutting depending on the type of blade that you're going to use. And you can cut different thicknesses of material as well. So for this example, I've got a piece of plywood right here, and what I'm going to do is freehand and cut in the shape of a football, you know, for the big game to use as a charcuterie board or some kind of display that you want to do, and you can choose to stain it or paint it later on. The whole idea is that once you trace what it is you want to cut, you want to make sure that the material is firmly secured to the area that you're going to cut on. So whether it's a workbench or whatever, make sure that it's clamped in place. When you're using the tool has a fence that actually rests against the material that you're going to be cutting. Make sure that that is firmly against the fence, and then grip the tool firmly as well with your hands as you cut the shapes. Always remember to wear safety glasses when you're using this, and take your time and allow the tool to do the work. As you pull the trigger, you want to follow along the line that you're trying to cut, and you may end up over-cutting a little bit so that you can come back again to cut the shape. If you take your time, use the right blade, and allow the tool to do the work, you will have success using a jigsaw and cutting virtually any shape that you want. If you need more information, just go to acehardware.com, or better yet, stop by your local neighborhood Ace Hardware store, because Ace is the helpful place.